So today, here's a new devlog video about how I made Matchem, my current game project. It's an action chill puzzle game with shapes and colors that will release on Steam at the end of the year. And yeah, as usual, remember that to learn more and support the project, you can check out the Steam page and add it to your wishlist to help it get noticed. And if you want to go even further, then you can join our community of Matchemeers and participate in the playtest for free, and then give me your feedback and impressions with this online form where I gather everyone's comments. This feedback has already helped me improve Matchem a lot, and I'm super grateful to all of my current playtesters and to you if you decided to participate. Okay, so last time we talked about the chill mode and how it can be a way for Matchemeers to train and practice before they challenge themselves with the runner mode. But after coding that, I decided that I should explain the fundamentals of the game earlier in the user flow, when players launch the game for the first time. And so I worked on two new things, the splash screen and the tutorial. Now, the splash screen is a very basic and typical scene where I have some text, animations, logos, credits, things like this. It's a nicer way for players to wait for everything to load and connect properly than just having a big black loading screen. When these animations have finished and the game has loaded, Matchem will switch to different scenes depending on your current saved data on the disk. Basically, if there isn't any player settings file on the disk, then the game will know that it's probably the first time you're testing the game, and so it will assume that you want to see the first time user experience, and so it will show you the tutorial. This tutorial is a step-by-step, learn-by-doing scene where you'll see how to change shape, then how to change color, and finally how to pass through gates by matching their shape and color. You can go through this tutorial with your keyboard or with a controller if you've got a gamepad plugged in. And of course, if you've already played the game at least once, Matchem will auto-skip this tutorial section and instead bring you directly to the main menu scene that we talked about in the previous episodes. So at that point, I had a simple first-time user experience for my players, some logos and credits, and a pretty neat user flow that auto-adapts when you relaunch the game. I was pretty happy with all this, but there was still one big feature that I knew I had to tackle now. I had to share the runner levels between everyone so that you'd get the new ones easily and instantly, no update required, meaning that I couldn't keep all the data local. And this is what we'll discuss next time, so be sure to keep an eye out for the new devlog videos. And for now, tell me, what do you think? Do you like Matchem's concept? Do you have any ideas for features I could add in the game to make it better? Feel free to share in the comments down below or with the online feedback form, and of course don't forget to wishlist the game on Steam if you're interested and you want to support the project. And on that note, as always, thanks a lot for watching and take care.